This evening, a call for an extensive drainage improvement program in Maypen, Clarendon, almost a week after 3 hours of heavy rainfall flooded the town and caused damage and death. The call has come from MP Noel Arscott, even as Mayor Winston Maraj gave details on recent drainage works. TVJ's Krista Campbell has this primetime news update.
So the constituency is indeed long overdue for a major and comprehensive overhaul of all the drains.
MP for Clarendon Southwestern Noel Arscott admitting that the aging drainage system in Maypen, Clarendon was no match for the 3 hours of non-stop rainfall which pelted the town on Monday. Mr. Arscott and Mayor Winston Maraj explained that millions of dollars was recently spent to upgrade some of the drains in Maypen.
The drains were collapsed and because they're underground, of course. And so what we did, we spent some nearly $6.5 million and we upgraded all the drains. We blocked off the road for a period of time and we replaced all the underground culverts and we corrected that drainage system. And you would have seen it if you pass around there, Fernley Avenue into Church Street as well as Nelson Street.
But they say they need much more to adequately address the drainage issues across the parish capital.
We know that the building industry and the number of houses and so on has affected the volume of water going into the original drains. And therefore we have a major problem. Take for example a main town like Fort Potts. Fort Potts originally was already low. And the drains we have there on the main road are woefully inadequate. We did some work in terms of cleaning them, but they just can't handle the volume of water coming from the various areas.
Mr. Arscott is appealing to the National Works Agency for help. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.